Hello everybody. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing on homepage. So, let's get started. Currently, I'm on the YouTube homepage. If I navigate to the channel homepage by tapping on View Your Channel, you'll see this is the main channel page. To resolve the issue, you'll need to edit the layout. Start by tapping on Customize Channel, which will take you to the YouTube Creator Studio. From there, you can easily make adjustments. Next, go to the Homepage section and look for a button labeled Add Section. Tap on it and you'll see a variety of options. Select short videos from the list. You can also choose the position of the section based on your preference. Once you're done, tap Publish and you'll see the changes being applied. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.